of the things that are quickest in slipping away from you is your memorization and your practice of the Qur'an. That it is more sneaky in its departure than a camel that is left untied, that you wake up in the morning and it's run off into the desert. That's such a powerful image given to us by the Prophet ﷺ. Abandoning the Qur'an, letting it slip away from us, there are three things that I warn you about. First is that we recite it but don't seek to learn its meaning. And I don't mean you have to know what every letter means and become a scholar of tafsir, but I want you to make a daily habit, a daily ritual, a weekly ritual if you can't do it daily, monthly ritual if you can't do it more than that, where you sit and take pause, listen to something that educates you about the Qur'an, connect with the surahs that you read most, be able that when you lead yourself in prayer, that the surahs you are habitually, regularly reading, that at least you know their meaning and can connect in your salah to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.